In this video, I will show you how to add a calendar picker in Google Sheets. So let's get started with the video. In Google Sheet, first we need to select the cell we want to add the calendar to. Next, we need to select the Data tab in the top menu bar. And again, we need to select Data Validation in this list of options, which will open Data Validation panel in the right side of the screen. We need to click this Add Rule button, and again, we need to select Is Valid Date under Criteria. And next, we need to click Done to save the changes. We can click and drag the selection if we want to add the calendar picker to other cells as well. Now, to confirm adding the calendar picker, all we need to do is double-click on the cell and pick a date from the calendar. And done adding calendar picker to the cells in Google Sheet. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.